So welcome to the High Tea, co-hosted by IBWG and the House of Devereaux. Today we are celebrating youth, as well as Women's History Month. I'll be giving a small talk on how to fuse your personal brand with your personal style. Speaking of Women's Month, the brand is inspired by incredible, powerful women like Jacqueline Kennedy, Joan Collins, the original Alexis Carrington, and of course, Diane Carroll, the original Dominique Devereaux. As you see here. So on display, we have some of our pieces from all three collections, but also we are previewing today our brand new collection entitled Centrale Electrique, also called Powerhouse, featuring the Ross suit, named for the boss, Diana Ross, and her daughter, Tracy Ellis Ross. So thanks for joining me, and stay tuned for more.